If you accidentally deleted a video on TikTok, the nice thing is that you can always go back and recover it because it's not actually deleted when you go through and delete that video. However, keep in mind, you do have 30 days to be able to recover that video. After that, it's permanently deleted from TikTok. I'm going to show you exactly how to get it back. Let's open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android and tap on Profile at the bottom right. After you've done that, tap on the three lines at the top right and tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Scroll down from here and under Content and Display, tap on Activity Center. And now from here, tap on Recently Deleted at the bottom. This will show you any recently deleted videos and how much time is left. If I tap on the video and tap on Restore at the bottom right, it says Restore this post. People will be able to interact and view it again. Just tap on Restore. And now if I hit the back arrow to get back to my profile, you'll be able to see that video that I just recently deleted is now back on my profile. You can always change the privacy if you wanted to set it to only visible to you or back to public for everybody to be able to see. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.